Hello students, welcome back to my channel Pulsars Classes. In my previous class, I had already discussed about rules for journal entries, rules for debit and credit. Today, I will teach you the applications of that rules, that is how we determine the debit and credit from different transactions. Okay, let's we start. Next item, goods purchased from Mr. Agarwal. Goods purchased from Mr. Agarwal on credit, rupees 10,000. In this transaction, we have purchased goods, that is our dealing product, but we don't pay any amount. This transaction has been done on credit because we don't pay any amount to Mr. Agarwal, but we purchase the goods on credit. যেই মুহূর্তে আমি গুডসটা পারচেজ করলাম সেই মুহূর্তে এই গুডস পারচেজটা আমার ক্ষেত্রে হলো গিয়ে এক্সপেন্স। হ্যাঁ, আমি মিস্টার আগরওয়ালকে পেমেন্ট করিনি, ইন ফিউচারে পেমেন্ট করব, বাট দ্য গুডস হ্যাজ বিন পারচেজড, সো ইট ইজ মাই এক্সপেন্স। If any expense increase, then it will be debited. So purchase account will be debited because the expense has been done for the purpose of purchasing goods. Purchase account will be debited, and here the personal account, Mr. Agarwal, the goods purchased from Mr. Agarwal. Mr. Agarwal is a person. Understand? Mr. Agarwal is a person. So it is a personal account. Mr. Agarwal give me the goods without any price. So he gives me the advantage, or he is the giver. So in case of personal account, the person who receive the advantage will be debited and the person who give the advantage will be credited. So here Mr. Agarwal give the advantage, so Mr. Agarwal account will be credited. Mr. Agarwal account will be credited because personal or giver, इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा। ये पर्सनल अकाउंट, दिस इज पर्सनल अकाउंट एंड ही इज द गिवर, सो his account, Mr. Agarwal account, will be credited. So here the entry will be purchase account debited to Mr. Agarwal account. Understand? Purchase account will be debited and Mr. Agarwal account will be credited. Personal giver, so Mr. Agarwal will be credited. Understand? Next we take another journal entries, another transactions. Transaction number 7, goods sold for cash, rupees 50,000. Okay, goods sold for cash, rupees 50,000. Here goods, that means our dealing product, goods sold and received cash, that means we sold our goods and receiving cash from our customers. So here we receive cash. Cash is an asset increase. Due to this transaction, asset increase, name of the asset is cash, so cash account will be debited here. And goods sold, that means we providing goods to our customer and receiving money, so it is our income. Income is always credit. If due to any transaction income increases, then it will be credited. So here asset increases as well as income also increases. How we get this income? We receive the income by providing goods, by sold goods to our customer. So the source of income is sales, so here sales account will be credited. So cash account will be debited due to asset increase, and sales account will be credited due to income has been done due to selling goods. So the sales account will be credited, the entry will be cash account debit to sales account. Cash will be debited by rupees 50,000 and cash will be, and sales account will be credited by rupees 50,000. Understand? Next transaction, old machinery, sorry, old motor car. Old motor car sold for cash, rupees 2,50,000. This is the transaction. Old motor car sold for cash, rupees 2,50,000. Here we receive cash and gives motor car. So here cash comes to me and motor car goes from me. So here cash asset increases, so cash account will be debited, and motor car goes out. Motor car is also an asset, so asset decreases, name of asset is motor car, so motor car account will be credited. Here sales account would not be credited because here it is not goods, it is old motor car, it is an asset to me, the asset goes out, so the motor car account will be credited, the entry will be cash account debit to motor car account, cash asset increases, motor car account decreases. Understand? Cash account debit to motor car account. Next transaction, number 9, loan taken from SBI, State Bank of India, rupees 1 lakh. We have taken a loan from SBI, rupees 1 lakh. ব্যাংক যখন আমাকে লোন দেয়, ব্যাংক কি করে, টাকাটা আমার হাতে দেয় না, ব্যাংক ওপেন an account in my name and deposit the loan amount in my account. Okay, so when I have taken any loan, then the bank account, my bank account will increases. Bank account, because bank deposit the amount in my bank account, so bank account as an asset, here asset increases, the name of asset is bank account, so bank account will be debited. And loan taken from SBI, SBI is an organization, so it is personal account, and SBI give the loan, so he give the advantage to me, so in case of personal account, the giver will be credited, giver, in case of personal account, SBI giving loan, so the organization SBI giving advantage to me, so in case of personal account, credit is the giver, so here the loan from SBI, the name of account will be loan from SBI, loan from SBI account will be credited. Personal account SBI and you giving loan, that means giving advantage to me, so here asset, bank asset increases, and loan from bank, the personal account giver, so it will be credited. Understand? Next, number 10, interest paid on loan, rupees 10,000. Interest paid on loan, rupees 10,000. Interest paid is an expense because it is paid annually, half yearly, quarterly, etc. That is its utility within the 1 year, not less than it, not more than 1 year, its utility within the 1 year. So interest paid is one kind of expenses. Expenses increases, expense is done due to paying interest, so interest paid account will be debited, interest paid account will be debited, and interest paid, it may be cash or check. Interest paid on loan, rupees 10,000, here I write by check, if I pay the interest by check, so my bank assets will be reduced because the amount will be paid from my bank, so my bank assets, my bank deposit will be reduces. Bank deposit is an expenses, so in this transaction and expense increases and asset decreases, the name of asset is bank, so bank account will be credited. So that journal entry will be interest paid account debit to bank account 10,000, 10,000. Okay, today in my class I discuss about the rules which we will apply for determining the debit and credit of any transaction. In my next class I will also discuss more and more transactions, more and more different type of transaction, how these transactions will be debited or credited in this by applying in these rules, and also discuss about the format of journal entries. If you are interested in my channel, then must subscribe it and also share, like and comment in my channel. Okay.